Hi everyone, it's Mrs. King here doing a little summer check-in. I hope to do a few more. So I wanted to share my summer bucket list with you, and then if you want to share your summer bucket list with me or send me pictures on how you met some things on your bucket list, I'm going to make a whole new YouTube video right before school starts with all the things that all the kids did at Shawsheen on their bucket list. So, let's see. Okay, this is my bucket list. So, go away and relax on the beach. Check, I did that. I'm going to share some pictures. Listen to a podcast daily. So, I have a few podcasts that I really like, and I'm not quite listening to them every day yet, but that is my goal because I like to learn new information, and sometimes I like it to be information that not necessarily has to do with work, but something that I want to learn about. Go to a concert or a comedy show. Hasn't happened yet, but is gonna happen soon, so stay tuned for those photos. Complete 2 to 3 summer YouTube episodes. Okay, so 1 is down. Check that off. I've got 2 more to go. Have fun adventures with family and friends. Well, I'm working on it. So far, I did go to the beach and relax, and I'm working on more fun adventures with family and friends. So can you come up with 5 ideas for your bucket list? Do you have a bucket list for the summer? Time to create one and bring in photos when you get back to school, or email them to me. All your parents have my email. You can send them to me, email them to me, drop them off. I'm going to do a couple of things. One, I'm going to try to make a bulletin board of all of the things that kids did in the summer to check off their bucket list. And if I get the photos, I will make a nice video to share out with everybody. So remember, anything you share will be posted. So just make sure it's something you want to share, okay? And if you're going into 4th grade and you're seeing this message, you are still welcome to participate because I will miss my 3rd graders and I want to see all the things that you did in the summer. So have a great time making your bucket list. I hope you participate. And stay pawsome and make someone smile today.